Millions of people are currently using GLP-1 medications like Ozempic or Wegovy. Because of how these drugs are marketed, the public conversation is almost entirely focused on the measuring tape and the pounds melting away. But a more specific change is happening to an organ you can't see from the outside, the liver. For decades, the only prescribed treatment for MASLD, a metabolic liver disease, was lifestyle change. Patients were told to eat less and use mechanical exercise to burn off the excess fat. This approach often failed because it treated liver damage as a simple weight problem rather than a complex biological dysfunction. It is easy to assume that patients see their livers heal simply because they are carrying less physical weight. However, the science points to a direct molecular effect. These medications actively improve insulin signaling and reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Even though researchers are still studying the exact density of GLP-1 receptors on the liver itself, the drug still triggers a biological cascade that reduces cellular stress and halts cell death. To see if this cellular repair could actually cure disease in humans, researchers launched the Phase 3 ESSENCE trial. The results were stark. After 72 weeks, 62.9% of patients resolved their liver inflammation, compared to just 34.3%. To see how these results translate outside of a clinical trial, researchers turned to TriNex, a global database tracking the real-world medical records of millions of patients. This data showed a steep, sustained drop in toxic liver enzymes, specifically ALT and AST, among those using the medication. Ultimately, these real-world patients saw their risk of progressing to advanced liver disease drop by more than 50%. This is possible because of the drug's direct mechanisms. It targets the pathways that cause liver cell death and the buildup of scar tissue. These direct effects are supported by indirect ones. As appetite decreases and weight is lost, the liver is further protected by improved systemic insulin resistance. By combining cellular repair with systemic weight loss, this dual-action approach manages the disease more effectively than traditional lifestyle modifications alone. Even with these results, this medication is a potent medical tool, not a universal fix. It is highly effective for early-stage liver disease and cases where the liver can still compensate for its damage. However, for patients with decompensated cirrhosis or advanced liver failure, the medication requires extreme caution. Common side effects like nausea and vomiting can quickly dehydrate and destabilize a patient whose body is already struggling with organ failure. Because of this, GLP-1s must be treated as a precision medical intervention that has to be deployed at the right clinical stage. So, how do you know if your liver is in the window where this treatment works best? You no longer have to undergo a painful, invasive surgical biopsy to get a clear answer. Doctors now use non-invasive tests, most commonly an ultrasound-based tool called a fibroscan. At your next appointment, you can ask a direct question. Should I get a fibroscan before starting GLP-1 therapy? You are looking for a score between 8 and 15 kilopascals. A score in this range identifies a liver that is damaged but still has the biological capacity to repair itself. Weight management, diabetes control, and liver repair are now achievable through a single intervention, marking a significant shift in how we manage metabolic health.